Hi, in this video we are going to talk about Drip content, what it is and how it is working. Drip allows you to schedule the release of your course content. It also allows you to manage when students will have access to your course materials. When you can use Drip feature, if you have a pre-sale course and you don't want to show any course material until the official launch date, or if you have a course and want to release the episodes only when students complete one section or one episode, you can use Drip feature. It can be all achieved by applying Drip feature. So how it works? First of all, you need to go to courses, find the course that you want to use Drip feature, click edit. In the first step, when you scroll down, you can see Drip schedule option. Here you have the opportunity to choose section Drip content, if you want to open only section, episode Drip content, if you want to open episode, and you can choose both section and episode within the same time. So let's go with section Drip content and understand what is going next. Here we have three options. Student enrollment date. Here Drip is based when your student first enrolls in your course. Here each student have their own schedule based their own unique start date. Student first episode start date. Here Drip is based when your student first starts the first episode of your course. The third option is custom date. It is based on custom calendar date. So here let's choose custom date. To choose your custom date, you need to go to the second step. For example, create new section, insert the title here. Here you choose when you want to release your section. Choose a date and click save. In case of episode, from Drip schedule, you should choose episode. Go to the next step. Create a new episode, and here you can see custom date field. And as a student who bought or enrolled in your course and, for example, started watching your video course and choosing the section which is enabled Drip feature, they will get this notification that the content will be available to you on this date.